from Group 3. Now we are in the Kakek Bodo Waterfall. So this is my group. My name is Salma Maulida Zulfa.
And my name is Pramesti Yelisha Dwi Savitri.
My name is Nurholiati Sadia.
My name is Salsabila Dinda Amalia. Bye-bye.
Kakek Bodo Waterfall is a natural tourist destination location in the Tretes area Pasuruan, Java. Besides its natural beauty, this waterfall has an intriguing legend behind its name.
According to local folklore, the name Kakek Bodo comes from the story of an old man who used to work as a servant for a noble family in the area. This old man was known to be loyal, kind-hearted, and hardworking. However, one day, he decided to leave this job and live as a hermit in the mountains. This decision was considered strange by the people around him, leading them to call him Bodo, which means foolish or stupid.
By being called foolish, the old man actually had a noble purpose. He wanted to get closer to good and life, a simple life in nature. According to the legend, after becoming a hermit, the old man gained extraordinary spiritual abilities and often helped the local community with his mystical powers. When he passed away, his dwelling near the waterfall became a sacred site for the locals.
Today, the Kakek Bodo Waterfall area is often associated with mystical vibes and local belief. Some people believe that the place holds strong spiritual energy, attracting visitors not only to enjoy its natural beauty but also to pray or seek blessings.
So light underneath the stormy sky.